I'm just working on this oven now, and the quickest way to do these elements, you can't do it on all elements because some of them have built-in capillary tubes and things like that, but on this one, if you can see it, it's screwed to the inside. As long as you can get these cables through, you can do it from just the inside without going to the rear of it. So obviously just be careful, don't let the cables run through, and fit your new element from this side. If you need to find out what element you need, you can look on the plate, and the plate tells you there, look, upside down like, but so there you go. Gives you the part number, 230 volts, 2100 watts. So I'm just going to refit this one now. Just 2 screws, plug the connectors on, screw it up, 2 screws. It takes 2 hands, so well, that's the quickest way to do it, rather than going in through the rear and taking all the back off, disconnecting it. So I'll put that together now.